The Ring Spotlight Camera Pro with a solar panel, bright LED siren, bird's eye view, and audio. Sound the siren on your command, cover new ground, continuous charge, versatile mount, easy install. Let's open it up. Pull the box out. Here's the mount. Okay, got instructions, 2 boxes. Okay, we have our screws A and our screws B. We need a drill or a screwdriver. This is how we set it up. We're in the northern hemisphere, so we want to direct our solar panel towards the south. We want to make sure there's nothing blocking the sunlight. I'm doing a brick install, so we're going to need the 6mm drill bit, insert the plastic piece, and then the screw. And we can adjust this mount, turn it in the direction we want, then tighten it back up. Then we'll take our USB-C and plug it into the camera. Then secure our wire with part B. This is a barrel cable in case your camera doesn't use USB-C. Now let's take the solar panel out of the box. So here's a look at our solar panel. The USB-C cable is attached to it. It's going to slide on and clip on to this bracket. Now let's open up the Ring camera. Let's open up the box and see what's inside. Pull this box out of here. We have a sticker, instructions, USB to USB-C cable, a warranty. So we have a warranty, a USB, a user guide, a Ring sticker, and a white box of something. Here's the camera itself. So it looks like we have a bracket here and the camera here. Here's our bracket for the camera. Here's the Ring Spotlight camera right out of the box. Let's take the plastic off of it. Here's the open camera. On the bottom of the back, there's a plug for your USB. And they have a rubber piece you can put over the USB port and a QR code to scan during setup. Or download and open the Ring app, then scan the QR code with the Ring app to set up the device once it's plugged in. So let's go to the Google Play Store, search for Ring.
Introducing.
Here's the Ring app. Let's install the Ring app and open the Ring app. Allow notifications, create an account. So we need to enter our email address, then create a password. Then we'll receive an email with a link to verify our email address. Then we can log in to our new account, and we can connect to our Amazon account if we want, enable 2-step verification, find our location, decide what type of location it is, set up a device. I'm going to choose security cams. Now it says to find the QR code on the device and scan it when we're ready. Then asks us how we want to power the camera. So we're going to use battery. Then it shows us how to charge the battery by plugging it in. And we want to make sure it's fully charged before we put it back in the camera. Then continue. Comes with our box A, our mounting screws with our anchors. And we need a drill or a screwdriver. Peel the plastic off. There's the camera. And then we need to unscrew the battery. So the top here will unscrew. So you just twist it slightly and then it comes right off. There's the battery. Now we need to remove the battery and charge the battery. So here's our battery. Throw the paper away. We'll charge it with the orange USB that came with it until it turns green. The small end's plugged into the battery. Plug in the USB to our charger. Okay, now we have a red light and a green light. We need to wait until it's green. As you can see on the back, red and green means it needs to charge. Green means it is charged. Once charged, we need to reinsert the battery until it clicks in, and then twist the cap into the lock position. We need to choose a place to install. The ball mount is pre-installed to point down when attached to a wall. If you install overhead, you'll have to adjust it. To remove the mounting plate, we slide it down. We're installing on a wall, so we want this arrow pointing up, and we need to drill pilot holes, 1/4 inch, with a 6mm drill bit, and then insert the included wall anchors, then drive the 4 mounting screws through the mounting plate into the wall anchors. Then we can attach the camera mount and tighten the security screw. Here's the back of the bracket we want to attach. Once we have it attached, we'll loosen this screw up and attach the camera. So this just slides down, just like that. And then you just pull it off. Then we'll use this to mount. Battery's done charging, so we'll put it back in the camera. So we can unlock the camera. Take the cap off. Insert the battery back into the camera. Then wait 30 seconds and the spotlight cam will turn on. Once the battery cover is back on, we can turn it clockwise to lock it. And then we need to get our Wi-Fi password to sign into our Wi-Fi network. We need to allow location access for the Ring app. Then we need to get close to our camera. Then we need to wait for the spotlight camera to enter setup mode. When the light starts flashing, we can click next. We'll be prompted to connect to Ring Wi-Fi. Then connect to the Wi-Fi. It's connecting the spotlight camera to our Wi-Fi. Then it asks us if we want to connect to Amazon Sidewalk, which we can skip by untoggling and clicking continue. Success. We can share the device with other users. Can install the spotlight camera, which we'll continue to do. So it has a tutorial to help you install the spotlight camera. So it shows you the different ways to install the camera. So we're going to install on the wall. So it shows us how to remove the plate. Screw the mounting plate to the wall. It has bird's eye zones to let you map out where you want to detect motion. And then it says the spotlight camera works with different modes. And you can refine your settings at any time. Okay, here's the camera. We're going live. All right, here's a view of the camera. Taking a look around. And it records the motion detected on the camera. And here's the playback. Now I'll take out the 1/4-inch drill bit to have it ready. Then I'll get a permanent marker to mark the pilot holes. Next, we're going to position the mount where we want it and use the Sharpie to mark where we're going to drill. Now the holes are marked, we can get our 1/4-inch hammer drill bit and put it in the hammer drill and start drilling our pilot holes. Once all 4 holes are drilled, we'll insert the wall anchors, part A, and then start screwing in the part A screws using a screwdriver. Once we get all 4 screws screwed in, we will slide down the camera mount onto the mounting plate, then tighten the security screw, loosen the screw for the ball joint, then attach the camera, position the camera where you want it to be, and then retighten the screw for the ball joint. Next, we're going to position the solar panel where we want it to be. Now we're going to secure the solar panel mount using screws A from the solar panel box. We decided to use a block of wood and longer screws to attach the mount to the roof to try to get more sunlight. Next, we'll slide on the solar panel, then plug the USB from the solar panel into the Ring camera, and then tie the USB cable using parts B to the roof. Now the Ring Spotlight Camera Pro is fully installed. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and comment below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.